In a rugged valley, a seasoned guide leads a diverse group through weather reading and cloud cues to predict the next shift in light and wind. They then demonstrate a rapid debris shelter using fallen branches while minimizing impact on the surrounding moss and lichens. The lesson shifts to nature education as participants identify edible plants and learn sustainable foraging practices that sustain a trek without depleting resources. As dusk settles, they practice signaling with mirrors and gentle calls, building teamwork and calm under pressure. The guide closes by linking personal grit to the landscape, turning every hike into a living classroom of survival and stewardship.